Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make pipe in AutoCAD 3D. Let's start. I have this vessel and we have to do the piping of this vessel. How we can do that? First, I will create a routing here. $500. Here I will go a meter and I will come down 2.5 meter. Here also 2 meter and down 500 and escape. So we can see here in the orbit it look like this, and now we will go back in southwest isometric view. So this nozzle is a 4-inch, so we have to do the piping of the 4-inch. The 4-inch elbow radius is 1152. So now we will fillet. Here type fillet radius 152. So all these elbows will be 152. Now for create a pipe, we have to make a single entity of this line. Right now it is a different segment, line, arc. For joining all, click here on modify, click on join and select the entities. Enter, and now it is a single entity, good for sweep. For sweep, we have to see the diameter of the pipe. You click on pipe information and here 4 inches, 114 for standard pipe, and wall thickness is 6 mm. Now we will create a circle of 114 diameter. Select here, click center diameter. Right now you can see that the circle is on opposite direction. We have to change the UCS. It's very easy. Now I want to make a circle bottom and your Z should be on top. Click on Z, move it up. Now Z is up. I will again select circle in this point and my diameter is 114. Here we have to click on sweep, select the circle, enter, then select the path, enter. So the pipe is created. But still you can see that this is still solid. Now we have to click on solid and click on shell, select the pipe and select the face, enter. So my thickness is 6 mm, enter. So it is now the hollow pipe. Again I will click on southwest isometric. So in this way we can create a pipe. Let's say you want to create a pipe of this one again. This nozzle is a 6-inch. Again click on line, select, I will go up 500 and this side I will go a meter. Then again I will come down 2.5 meter and this side 1500. escape. So this nozzle is a 6-inch and we have to see the radius of the elbow. Click on option pipe fitting but welded, and this is the elbow, and I will select 6-inch 150. Now the radius is 229. Fillet radius 229. Make a fillet. Enter. Fillet radius. Again we have to make a single entity. Click on modify, click on join and select these. Enter. Now it is a single entity. I will go on southwest isometric view. Now I have to get a circle or diameter of the pipe, and here we will get the diameter. Pipe 6-inch, so its outside diameter 168 and thickness is 7 mm. So I will click on the circle here. You can see that because we change the UCS, Z is up, so it's showing like this. Now again we have to make the Z on the same axis. Click on Z, move it on that direction. Select here and diameter 168. Again use sweep command. Select sweep, select the circle, enter and select the path. So pipe is created. Now we have to make a hollow. Click on solid, shell, select the pipe and select the face. Enter, and this time thickness is 7. Enter. So we make the pipe. So in this way we can make pipes in AutoCAD 3D.